Hey guys, welcome to the new section of this course. Now we have created this simple timeline for the users where they can see their details in the post, in the comments, they can comment in different things. Now let's start from this, from this menu bar and add the links that are required. So we have added a link members.php to this link where we can show them all the members, the registered members we have on this form, and after that we can assign some, you know, links to this category. So if a user clicks any of the categories, so they should see the relevant post here, and after that if someone is searching something here, they should find a result. So let's start from the members basically. First of all, so we have a link to members.php. Now what we need to do is basically to go and just simply, this home.php page, just make a copy of this, save as, and make it members.php. So now this is members.php, and just if you now go here and click members.php, you will see members.php but the same page, because we have just made the copy of home.php. So what we need to do is basically remove everything from this session, from this list, and just show the users, all the users we have, registered users basically. So we'll just remove all the forum, this forum, and then the rest of the things. Tell here content timeline ends and content timeline starts. Okay, so here we'll just go and we'll copy any of the query we have right there. For example, this one, copy it, and we'll come here to members.php, and we'll first of all add a PHP block and then just post it here. Oh sorry, we don't need this query, we can directly go and go to home page, home.php, and just copy something from there. I mean this one I'm talking about, this whole thing, this get user tell here, because when we already have created these queries, then we don't need to write it again, we can use them. So you have the basic idea now. Okay, so now I will change the variables only. I will say get members, select all from users. So we need all this time. No, we will not use any where condition or anything like that. And we need while loop here because there are many records we have right here, and the while loop starts from here and will end here after the echo statement. First of all, we need to remove these all extra things in the country etc. We don't need that, we only need the image, which will not be 200 but this will be 50 height and 50 width. That's really simple and nice, and we will just close the while loop here, which we started from this point, and we don't need the user country, we don't need user registered date or these things right here, we don't need them. what we can simply do is just, you know, add a title to this link, this image link, and this title will be equal to this username variable which has the name of that user. So the image will be there, and after that when someone hover the mouse, they will see the name of the user. And we need to also add a link right here, you know, a href, and we will say user underscore profile.php, and id is equal to, or uid is equal to that user id variable. This is a link basically. We are adding this link to the image, so image will become a link basically. And what we are doing basically, we are attaching the user id to each user or each member of this site. So that's very nice and simple. Control S to save, and now just come here, press this page, and you can see only one user is there, which id is 2. So what happened? Why all the users we don't see? Because the reason is we don't see all the users. First of all, let's change this text. Say all registered users on this site. Okay, so now all registered users on this site. This is because you know, we are getting select all from users. MySQL query fetch array echo while loop started, and while loop is here. That's fine. Okay, then what is the problem? We got only one. There are 7 users basically. Some are unverified and some have no post, but at least they should appear because we have not added anything there. Let me check this. Select all from users. While row MySQL fetch array run everything. Oh, sorry, we have a problem here. We change actually this get members. Now let's change this as well. Run members. We'll say get members. We will change that here. Run members, and it's okay, fine. Now Control S to save and refresh the page. You can see all the members. One does not have a picture, but the great thing is that when you hover mouse, you can see the name of the user. You know, John Doe, John, here Janana, Peterson, and Jessica. All the users you will see here when you click the members. So now we have attached the ID of each user here, so if someone clicks any of the user, they will see their profile basically. And we will then, the page we will create for that is right here, user underscore profile.php, where we will display the all the details of that specific user basically. So this is very nice thing. Now we change a picture of the person. For example, we say that this Jessica will have a picture from default to something like jan.jpg, and we go to our folder right there, you know, in the htdocs and social network, and we have user and then user images. There is only one picture default. So let's go and just I will copy a picture, something. Okay, Okay, just this picture for example, copy this picture and I will paste it here and we'll rename it Jane and JPG is the type already. So that's it. Now come here and refresh this page and you can see the picture is here. Jessica, name is Jessica and picture. So anyone when we will create a script for updating the photo, so all the photos will come up with the users, because right now they are just with the default avatar. So if I want to make a little bit space, I can add a BR. Oh, I should add the BR here. Control S to save. Now it's looking nice and great. So the more user we add, we can just show them here, and we will add more users with pictures when we will be actually adding an option to update this image basically. So in the next lecture basically I'm coming back and we'll first of all just add a little bit styles to this topics text, simple text, and after that assign the categories, the links to these categories, so we can show the relevant post there, and after that we will work on this search box. Stay tuned.